I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the latest Nvidia driver and GeForce experience are installed. This provides the NIS toggle and presets. Open GeForce Experience or the Nvidia control panel, locate Nvidia image scaling, and enable it globally or per game. Once done, set your desired upscale percentage and sharpening slider. This controls quality versus performance. Make sure to apply settings and close any running games so the change takes effect immediately. Next, you change the game's internal render resolution to a lower value so NIS can upscale. This reduces GPU load while preserving perceived detail. In the game settings, pick a render resolution or percentage that targets your frame rate goal, then return to NIS and confirm the upscale factor matches. Once done, tweak the sharpening slider moderately. Higher sharpening improves perceived clarity but can introduce artifacts, so balance it against frame rate gains. To finish, test gameplay in demanding scenes and watch both FPS and image quality so you can validate the trade-off you chose. If something looks wrong, toggle NIS off to confirm whether scaling caused the issue, and make sure drivers and overlays aren't conflicting. If you see shimmering or halo artifacts, reduce the sharpening or raise the render resolution slightly, and then retest. This usually resolves quality problems while keeping most performance gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.